Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to trade items on Steam. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Steam application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Steam if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have the store, the library, community, and your profile. Also, we have here we have a bar where you have your store, net, new and noteworthy categories, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and trade items on Steam. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, launch the Steam client on your computer, as I already told you in the start of the video. Then hover over your username at the top right corner and click on inventory. So click here and click on inventory. When you're in the inventory, after that, you need to go and click on trade offers, click new trade offer, choose the friend you want to trade with from your friend list, click and drag the item you want to trade from both investors into the trade boxes, choose the box to confirm the contents of the trade and click create trade offer. Your friend will receive a notification and can review and accept the trade offer. Once both parties agree to the trade, the items will be exchanged. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. Hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.